Unraveling the meaning of encounter. Hey, dear learners! Today, we're diving deep into the word encounter. By the end of this video, you'll fully understand its meaning and how to use it in different contexts. Encounter is both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it refers to an unexpected or casual meeting with someone or something. As a verb, it means to meet someone unexpectedly or to come across a particular situation or difficulty. Example as a noun: I had a brief encounter with my old teacher at the mall. Example as a verb: travelers might encounter some challenges while navigating through a foreign city. To better grasp the essence of encounter, let's explore some synonyms and related words. Meet. This can mean to come into contact or to have an appointment with someone. Run into. This is a casual way to say you met someone unexpectedly. Face. This often refers to confronting a challenge or situation head-on. Note: while these words can be used in place of encounter, it's essential to consider the context to ensure they fit correctly. Understanding a word is great, but knowing how to use it is even better. Let's see encounter in action. 1. Personal context. I encountered my childhood friend at the reunion after many years. 2. Travel context. On their journey, they encountered various landscapes, from deserts to lush forests. 3. Challenges. Entrepreneurs encounter many hurdles when starting a new business. That wraps up our exploration of the word encounter. Remember, it's all about unexpected meetings and facing situations or challenges. We hope this video has enriched your vocabulary and understanding. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be encountering many opportunities to use this word in your conversations.